Everyone, in this video we are going to learn about transpose of a matrix and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is a very easy one. So what is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix is we are going to just interchange in the row and column number. So suppose your matrix is like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is of 2 rows and 4 columns matrix, right? So if I am going to do the transpose sign is like this. So you can write it to the power T or A dash, both units for transpose. So if you do the transpose, the matrices will be like this: A, E, B, F, C, G and D, H. That's the first, this is my first column, that will become your first row. Second column will become your second row, and hence it's like this. So that's the transpose. Couple of property of transpose. Please take any matrix and try this property. If there is any problem, please write in the comment box. I will solve it for you. So transpose of a transpose matrix, I am going to get the old matrix back. Second property is, if any lambda is multiplied with the matrix and we are going to do the transpose, that will be the same thing as if I will multiply lambda in the A transpose. So for the first case here, I am first multiplying lambda in the matrix, the scalar multiplication, then I am doing the transposes. And second case, first I am doing the transposes and then I am applying lambda in all the elements. So third property is that minus a means we are going to multiply all the elements by minus 1. So that is equals to minus A transpose. This is nothing but just the extension of this property. If you take lambda as minus 1, same thing you will get. Next one is, if it is any two matrix A plus B transpose. Now for any two matrix to perform A plus B, there has to be comparable matrix, right? So this will be equals to A transpose plus B transpose, because otherwise they are comparable, their rows and column numbers are equal. You can't perform A plus B, right? Similarly, A minus B transpose is equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Last one you need to just learn a bit. So AB transpose, that will be equals to B transpose into A transpose. That's all the property. If I have time, I am going to discuss the last property only, otherwise I will just move on. So next one is symmetric matrices. The condition of symmetric matrices, if A transpose and A, if these two matrices equal. How to form the symmetric matrices? Just check. So I am going to show you how to form a 3 by 3 symmetric matrices. I am going to write anything in the principal diagonal. This is known as principal diagonal. Okay. After this, this two element has to be equal one. So suppose I am taking H here. Sorry, I said I am going to write H and I wrote G. So this is will be my H, right? Next one, this two element will be equal 1. So if I take G here, this two element, okay, and we are left with two places, one is this and one is this. So again this two element has to be equal. So if I take this as A, now just do the transpose of this, you will find that these elements are equal. So I can say they are symmetric matrices. Now skew symmetric matrices. What is the condition for skew symmetric matrices? Your A transpose, if this is equals to minus A, then it has to be skew symmetric. Again for skew symmetric, how to form the skew symmetric matrices? It's necessary condition that your principal diagonal has to be 0. Okay. Now write any element over here, X, Y, Z, like the previous one. Only on the opposite side of principal diagonal, the element will be of opposite sign. So if this is X, Y, Z, this will be minus X, minus Y, minus Z. Also you can take this one as minus, so that time this will become plus. It's not necessary that one side it has to be plus and one side it has to be minus. The condition is one side element has to be of the opposite sign. Please be very careful. Just check with the condition. This is the concept of skew symmetric matrix. From here you have to perform one of the very important sum, that for what value of x, the matrices 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, x minus 3, 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. So you will write for skew symmetric matrix, A transpose has to be equals to minus A. So what is your A transpose from here? If we perform A transpose here, A transpose will be 0, minus 1, x, 1, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 3, 0, and that will be equals to minus A. Just put minus sign in front of all the elements. So this will be 1, 0, minus 3, this will be minus x, 3, 0. This is minus A, right? So now just check where we have x is equals to 2. If you solve this, also you will get x equals to 2, right? So this is the concept of skew symmetric matrix. One more type of sum we have from here. Write a matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So how to do that? So suppose the matrices I am taking, one easy one I am taking, you can just do it for the 3 by 3 also. Matrices of 3, minus 4, 1, minus 1. What will be your A transpose? A transpose will be 3, 1, minus 4 and minus 1, right? So this is your A transpose. Now calculate two matrices, another two matrices, half of A plus A transpose. So half of A plus A transpose will be, just check, 3 plus 3, 6. So I'm just going to keep it like this, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 3. This will be again minus 3. This will be minus 2. Hence the matrices will be 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1. And calculate half of A minus A transpose. So half of A minus A transpose, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 4 this, minus 3. A minus A transpose I say, so 1 plus 4, this will be minus 4 minus 1, this will be minus 5. I'm sorry, my mistake. So this will be 5 and this will be 0. Why I got stuck when I wrote it there? I saw this is minus 3, this is 5. It cannot be. The element has to be opposite sign. I know that. Because this is 0, this is minus 5 by 2, this is 5 by 2, this is 0. Do you agree that this is the symmetric matrix? As we have anything in the principal diagonal and these two elements are equal, so this is symmetric matrix. And do you agree that this will be your skew symmetric matrix? Because we have 0 in the diagonal and these elements are of the opposite side. So we can write a matrix 3 like this, 3, minus 4, 1, minus 1 as sum of symmetric. This will be a symmetric. Please don't add them, you will get the first matrices only, and skew symmetric matrices like this. So you can also do this for 3 by 3 matrices. If there is any problem, please write me in the comment box or you can send me the picture so that I can solve it for you. And then just mention that this is your symmetric matrix and this is your skew symmetric matrix. In my next video, I am going to show you matrix elementary row operation method, which is very important for you. As of now, thank you all of you. Please write me if there is any problem.